lunch right now.
Hi.
We're getting ready.
I got my
Hi.
hand on
Her
my
cute
coat.
hat. That's
My
right.
hat
Mommy's
on
gonna
the
find
wall. Why?
some gloves.
I'm going
We are-
shopping.
That's right. We're going shopping. We're getting ready to go to Walmart, you
Get
guys.
milk and get
So
mommy coffee.
that's right. Get milk and
Get
mommy
my milk.
coffee.
Mom coffee.
That's right. So we're getting ready to go. See you guys in a bit.
Get gum.
It is Friday today. It's a blizzard outside. You guys check this out. I did not go. You guys check this out. I had to skip the gym today. School is canceled for today. Totally canceled for today. So if you see, it is Mikey shoveled the driveway, but it is a blizzard out. So we're about to venture out in it. Here we go. So y'all, this is what it's looking like here today. I'm going about 10 miles an hour. It is like a blizzard. Literally a blizzard. So nobody's out that I see yet. You can't even like see anything. It's crazy. So I think most schools, everybody was canceled today. So we're out and about though. We have things to do. We gotta hit up Walmart. It is Friday. I work tomorrow, so we gotta hit up Walmart. So we'll record our drive down Colfax here, you guys. This is crazy. I'm glad we have four-wheel drive, or we would not have been going anywhere, you guys. Anywhere. What about sun? Here we go.
Give me my dad. And do it. Mama,
Yes, ma'am.
kids
Kids
going shopping.
are going shopping?
Kids going shopping.
Yes, kids are going shopping. Us kids are going shopping, huh? Let's see if we can just go straight down here, maybe. It's gonna suck trying to push into this, but it's on the other side. Trying to find a good spot, you guys, to be able to unload groceries into the truck, not have to push the cart too far, but be next to one of these
Mama,
things here.
Mom,
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we're gonna get down.
I can't see any spots.
I know, right? Okay, that's about as close as we're gonna get. 8. Row 8, y'all. Row 8. So, yay, we made it here safe. So, we're about to go in this Walmart here and get a grip of groceries. So, wish me luck.
Bye.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to Doing Time with the Darlings. So, it is Friday morning, afternoon now. I left here about 11, and it's about 1:30 right now. We just got back from Walmart. Let me show you what, hold on. So we spent $363. So let me show you what we got for $363 from Walmart. So I'm going to start out with all my refrigerator stuff, you guys, so I can get it in. The only thing I put away 3 gallons of milk we got. So we did get 3 gallons of milk, and I put that away. The kids wanted some of these, the bagel bites. I think those were like $10, you guys, so we've never had these.
I got this!
Oh, she's showing her makeup that she got. You guys, I got 3 more bags of the honey garlic sriracha meat. You guys, if you haven't tried this, try it. It's bomb. Off the chain. Off the hook. You guys, I got 2 big things of cheese tortellini, so I'm going to do chicken with the cheese tortellini and mushrooms with vodka sauce. So that's what I'm going to make with this. So 2 of them.
Mom, you got this.
Grapes.
Oh.
You guys, I've never seen these before. So in this brand, I had another brand of them that I bought, but sweet potato fries. So these are supposed to be, you know, healthier. So sweet potato fries. I got, because we're going to do cheeseburgers, so we picked the leanest. These are like the 85% lean, so we got those. Hamburger patties. I got 2 packs of just regular hot dogs for the kids. A big fat thing of grapes, of the black seedless grapes. I'm going to give her some right now. You guys, I got 2 big salads for me. I got a chicken Caesar and a ranch Cobb with chicken and bacon. Salad, yes. Healthy. You guys, I got a thick cut bologna for Mikey's sandwiches.
I love that. Love that kind of bologna.
And a 24 pack of the singles. You guys, I got the sugar-free hazelnut coffee creamer.
Have to get that. Daily life.
I don't have that. Real Parmesan for our tortellini and stuff. Bananas, bananas.
Banana, banana.
You guys, I got a 18 pack of eggs. 1 more package of the wraps, and now we have like 6 packages, seriously. Mushrooms for the tortellini. Another thing of cheese. A smaller pack of the low-fat cottage cheese for me. A 12-pack of Diet Dr. Pepper. Another 6-pack of my Slim Fast. You guys, we actually liked those White Claws that we did a challenge on. So we bought a, what is this, 12-pack of the White Claw mixed. It has raspberry, natural lime, ruby grapefruit, and black cherry. So we're going to try these. We like these. I am also sipping on my Dutch Brothers baby.
Hey, Mom.
Break time.
Hey, Mom.
Smoke time.
Hey, Mom.
Awesome, Mia.
You like?
You guys, I got 2 things of vodka sauce for tortellini and mushrooms and vodka sauce. Yum. So 2 things of vodka sauce. I got 2 creamy 4 cheese and 2 butter and garlics for instant rice for dinners. Another thing of strawberry syrup for her.
Watch me.
You guys, I got the kids a 36 pack. Is that how many's in here?
Watch
36?
Me, Mama.
36 pack of the granola bars.
Watch me, Mama.
She picked out some Shopkins fruit snacks for her. You guys, I got chicken, so I have chicken already. So I had some garlic and Parmesan breading. 2 things of dried mango. Daddy wanted Kipper snacks, so I got him 5 Kipper snacks. You guys, I got 2 boxes of the saltine crackers. A 4 pack of the tuna fish in water. Pringles for Junior. Sour cream ones for her, for Mia Faith. I got Daddy another thing of trail mix he likes. You guys, I was looking and I tried to find that. I want to say it's called like Manzo, and I couldn't find it. So I ended up getting the olive oil, but I heard that Manzo is healthier, so I couldn't find it. They were like out. 85 paper plates, needed that. I needed like 1 roll of paper towels. I think I have like 3 now. Some cheese and garlic croutons for my salad. Gum. You guys, I needed, because I want to make cream of wheat, and I had to ask my girl who's a cook how she does it, 'cause she makes it bomb and it's not lumpy. Well, she uses the brown sugar, so brown sugar for cream of wheat. Some more sugar-free snacks. I needed some more ground cinnamon. A big fat pack of cookies for the fam. You guys, I got some of these for me because I'm trying to stay away from all the cookies. Just a regular loaf of the bread for the kids. Texas toast, which I'm going to freeze. Some really good Hawaiians. What is this? The King's Hawaiian sandwich bread for Daddy. I also got the onion buns for when we do our cheeseburgers. You guys, I needed a pack of baby wipes. We use them in the bathroom and throw them in the trash can. So it's a 3-pack of the wipes. The kids are fighting. You guys, I got a pack of the Sport. We love this, the Tide Sport. It's our favorite. I got a smaller candle, Cozy Gathering, and a bigger one. Ooh. Peach and mango. We had to have some shampoo, Color Safe shampoo, some Mr. Bubbles. Oh, you guys, they only had 2. They had 2 sweet southern teas for Daddy, and that was it. Then I got the kids, I got really for her, I got a fruit punch Mio and a strawberry watermelon Mio. So we're going to see if we can't push a lot of water on her with these. Pack of toothpaste. You guys, I use this Aragon. It's renewing an Aragon oil of Morocco. It's for dry penetrating hair. It's really for dry hair. This is really good to help. It's like it's an awesome oil that we use as like a detangler in her hair, which is just making it grow and more beautiful. So if you guys haven't tried this, it's like $5 at Walmart. Go get this. It's wonderful. Especially if you need some kind of like detangler for your kids' hair that's good for it. This is amazing. Another thing of the fish oils for us. And then I got some of this for me. Some B12 vitamins. So that's for Mommy. We got the twin pack of the Degree deodorant. Because we share a deodorant. We don't wear separate deodorant. Junior needed a new toothbrush. I needed a thing of makeup. That's what I use for powder. And I got Berry Blackmail for lipstick. Maybelline, y'all. So, let's see. Ooh, I like that. Mama liked that lipstick. So,
Mommy.
ooh, it's Maybelline Berry Blackmail, number 120, girls.
I like it.
Do you like it? I like that too. So, okay, y'all, that was it. That was what we got for $363. That was it from Walmart. So I hope you enjoyed my haul. It's exactly 2 o'clock here, so ridiculous. Took me like all morning, all day to do this grocery haul and go out and get groceries in this blizzard. But we're safe. We're home. Mommy gonna do a bunch of chores because I have to work in the morning. So I gotta get the baby's bag ready and everybody's stuff ready to go and finish laundry, etc., etc. Hashtag mom life. So I hope everybody enjoyed our haul. Everybody have a wonderful, blessed weekend. It's a blizzard here in Colorado. It's Friday, so everybody have a wonderful, blessed weekend. Talk to y'all later. Bye.